skills, and these shortcuts will save a lot of time and efforts if otherwise it is done manually. One thing. Other thing is that for this video, it is the customized video, particularly about the auditors stuff. Daily they face the issues. So if they have to search another websites, it will take a lot of time. So in this video, I have summarized all of the basic skills. So hopefully in 2 to 3 videos, you will be able to learn the basic things, and you will be able to apply the learnings in your future career, which will save a lot of your time. So I have compiled a few the data which does not belong to any client. This is just for the understanding purposes. So first is I will tell you one example, and you can see with me that, okay, this is the data given by my client, and particularly this will skills will help you in those clients which do not have like standard Oracle, SAP, or ERP. So you have to manually first set the data and then apply the audit procedure. So in this scenario, I will tell you Alt HFDS, what is this formula used for and how to use that. And then pivot table for making the summary, and then filters and how to remove items within the filter. Fine. So this is our today's agenda. First of all, my client has given me the data, and they want this data because we have to send the external confirmations to each party along with the balance, because as per international standards on auditing 501, we have to send and circulate the external confirmations along with the balance we are planning to send this. But the data I'm seeing that this data is like every supplier has sub account as well. Like this is supplier A, it has sub account ABC, this, like six sub accounts. So supplier A is one main supplier which has six sub accounts. The sum of all this is 900. So one thing is that I can do it manually, go here one by one, sum this. So I will, okay, supplier A 600, fine, and I go there, add all of this. This is 1038, 1038, or alternatively I can sum this like Alt plus. It will sum all of the above. What is the key? Alt plus. I can write, keep my cursor here in this column, in this cell, and Alt plus. Alt plus will sum all of the above. Alt plus this one. So this is one thing which I can do, but obviously it will take a lot of my time. I can also do is equal to sum sum this one. So what is this? Sorry, it is 900. Yeah, it is 900. So this, in this way, the sum is also appearing here, 900. So in this way, it will take a lot of time to go here, and you can see I did the one error. This is because if we manually do the thing, we are more prone to the errors. So Control Z, removing all what I did. So I have developed a shortcut. So first of all, I will take this all data, Control Shift, and then select all this, and I will paste into Control C, copy, Control N, new sheet, and Control V. I will copy and paste into new sheet so that I can organize the data, so that every party has some appearing which to whom I can apply the sampling, and I can do send the external confirmations. So here, so first thing is that you can do, which will take your time. You can go here, select this, Control D, Control down, like supplier A. This is now, you can do is copy and then paste here, Control V, Control C, and then Control V. It will also take a lot of your time to doing this, because consider there are like thousands of parties down there. So how can you do manually? Like you can, one thing is you can go select here and then Control D. Control D means whatever written above will be control down. Like every cells below there will be same copied. Like if I want to copy E till here, I have to select from here, 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 and then E. Then I will apply Control D. Like D means whatever is written above will automatically copied down. Control D. Control D. So this is also a long way to do. Like I have thousands of parties, how much you will do Control D. So we have the shortcut here. So let's find out. Let's find out what is the shortcut. So what I will do, Control Z. Yeah. So I have to do is that I will select all of this, all this column from this Control Shift, and then till here, till the end. Now what I have to do is I have to Alt H. I have to do Alt H F D, and then you will go to special S and select here the blanks and select OK. Now you will apply the equal to and the above one. Whatever is written above is supplier A is equal to above one and enter. After entering that, you will just do Control D. So you can see everywhere down it has selected the whatever is written above. So I'm repeating again for you. Control Z. So you have to do is what? Alt. Learn this thing. This is very important. Alt H and then FD S and then select blanks. After selecting the blank is equal to, after applying the equal to and then select above. After doing the equal to sign, let me equal to select above, whatever is written above, select above and then Control D. It will be copied below. So let me do it again. You can also do with me. Like you have to select from here because I want all these blank spaces to have the same name as the above, like supplier R. Here, all the blank spaces to have the same name, supplier Q. Here, all the blanks to be filled with the above, whatever is above supplier P, because all these sub accounts belong to supplier P. So I have selected this and then now Alt H, Alt H. Now FD, FD. Now S for go to special, S, and then blanks. This is the blanks written. I have selected the blanks and then OK. And now it is equal to select above, is equal to go here above, is equal to above, and then enter. And what you have to do, Control D, Control D. Now you can see all the blank spaces here are filled with A, all the blank spaces here are filled with B. You getting my point? All the here blanks are copied with whatever is above. Whatever was above C, so they have got the C as well. So in this way, first step I have applied all this. So every now sub account has also got the supplier name. Like PQR is the sub account. This is what supplier H. So everything they have got their names. Like PQR supplier I. You getting my point? Now I've got all the supplier name. Now this is now very simple technique I will use just to get in order to apply to the. Now first we'll have to learn some new thing as well. Now in what I will do, I have to remove these blanks. Although if I do not remove the blanks, it will cost no impact on, because blanks means zero. It will have no impact. But I have to give you this knowledge as well. Like if you want to remove the blanks, just blanks here, like this blank should be removed. this blank also to be removed. Although I'm again saying that it will not cost you any difference in your when we will apply the pivot formula. But again, just for the sake of convenience, sometimes we have to remove this. So what you have to do, you just select this, select all, control shift, then go below everything you have selected. Now Alt HSF filter. You have applied the filter. Now, filter is very easy. Alt H S and F. You have applied the filter on that. Now filter the select, deselect all. Now just filter what? Blanks. We have to remove the blanks from here. Select the blanks and say OK. Now you can see all these are the blanks. We have to remove the blanks. So in order to remove items within the filter, mark my words, in order to remove blanks within the filter or any rows within the filter, if let's suppose something A is written here or anything, you want to remove within the filter, you cannot remove like control delete. You cannot do. You have to select only these columns. You can see here, you can the column 8. I will let me explain you. This is the row 8, and then 8, row 15, row 22, row 29, row 36, and so on. So this means that we have something within which is hidden. If we directly go there and delete, it will delete the items which are not filtered, which are within the filter. They will also be get delete. So you have to do is, so we have to just delete the selected items. What I'm saying, just delete the selected rows, not all rows. So what we'll do, if I just delete this, my everything within this will also be deleted. So in order to delete only, just delete the selected rows. Whatever I've selected is delete. There is one thing, Alt colon. Colon means this sign. You have to press Alt and colon. Alt colon. This will only select the filtered item. Whatever is not in the filter, it will not be deleted. So Alt colon. I have to delete only this. So I will select this. Now you can see I've selected all, like 8 and 15, but whatever is between 8 and 15, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, this all will be deleted. Now I have to apply what? Alt colon. Yes. Now you can see that there is some line here, which means that now only what will be deleted? 8, 15, 22. The items, the rows between them will not get deleted. This is the basic functionality of Alt colon. Okay? Alt and colon sign. You will have to press Alt colon. So you now we have only selected these rows which are filtered, like row 8, row 15, row 22, 29, 36, and so on. So if what I will do now, I have to delete this. I have to control minus. Delete entire. Yeah, okay. So these only filtered items have been deleted. Now if I remove the filter, I will get another, I will get everything same. Only what is done, only the filtered lines are deleted. Everything remaining is same. Only the blanks which were filtered, they have deleted. So Alt colon we have used. So now we have organized this. Now we have to do is one thing we can do. We have to apply the pivot table. Pivot is basically used for the summarization of data. So I will do Alt and J. Oh, sorry, Alt and V. Alt and J is for another thing I will guide in the next section. Alt and V. And then from the table, yes, we have selected this table. So all this will be selected. So where you have to apply the pivot table, we have to select that area. Like here in the next, I have to apply pivot on what? Column A, B, C. So I have selected all these three areas and then applied what? Alt and V. Alt and V. It is what for what? Pivot. Pivot is used to summarize, because I need not all these balances. I need summary, like how much supplier A, I need the total of this much, 900, because I will put 900 in my confirmation. I do not write like supplier A, you have this sub account, this. I have to send confirmation on the combined balance. So what I will do, I need supplier A total amount, supplier B total amount. So I have applied selected three, and then Alt and V, and then enter. I have made the pivot table. So I will click on the pivot table, and these all options are appearing. What do I need? I need first of all name or sub name. I need the name. So name will be appearing supplier A, B, C, D. So what for each supplier I need? Sub name or amount. I need the amount. I will click on the amount, and here I got the summary. Control C, Alt ESV. I have to paste special value. What is the formula? Alt ESV. I have to special paste here, and now you can see every supplier has got the same, the total balance. Supplier A has 900. So this is my population. I can apply sampling tool here, and whatever sample is selected, like supplier J is selected, I can know 900. Supplier M, I know this is 3078 rupees or dollar, whatever your currency is. So in this way, I have got the whole all this into just summarized, and it can save my work. Let's quickly, I will redo it, and you just see how much time it will take. So let me share you my screen. So again, yeah, this is the balance. I will redo all the steps. Whatever we have learned, Alt HFDS blanks this one, pivot table summarization filters, how to remove items within the filter. So what I have to do is I have to just select it, and just in the separate Excel workbook, Control C, Control N, Control V, I have pasted, and then Alt I have to do is in the column 1, I have to Alt HFDS, then blanks, okay, is equal to whatever is above written. I have to just paste that, enter, then Control D, everything that will be copied. So having copied all the things, now I have to do is Alt HSF. I will apply the filter here, and then we'll select the only blanks items, which are blanks, because I do not need blanks or anything written in there. So how to delete that? If I delete this, I will get deleted all the my data behind that selected arrow. So Alt colon will select only this, and then Control minus. This will only delete my selected rows, not impacting the rows behind the filter. So I will get whatever is behind the filter. Now I will select all of this, and I need to Alt and V, which is the pivot. I will select, I will apply the name, and for each name I do not need sub name, I need only the amount. So I will click on the amount as well. So this is how I got the, now I will just paste it special to somewhere else, some new sheet where I have to Control C, Control N, Control C, Control N is the new sheet where Alt ESV I have to paste. Sorry, it is not Control C, Alt ESV. This is the new sheet where I have selected all my data, so I can accordingly adjust this. So this is my whole population. This I can delete, and if I sum this, what I was Alt plus will do all above this. So this is my whole population. So I will apply sampling, and whatever is selected, I will send the confirmation. Because the data was in scattered manner, I just first organized it and then pivotized it so that I can get summary, or so that I can apply the sampling tool on that. So that's how it works, guys. In the next our video, I will give you some more details. These are basically just this small, and you can basic things we as an auditor must know, because we have sometimes to face the data issues which need to be first solved, and which takes a lot of time before applying the audit procedures. So I hope you have learned from this video. Uh, keep your keep watching my channel, and gives a thumbs up. Thank you so much.